Good day, students. How are you? Hope you are doing fine at home. So the topic I have for you today, we will still continue with the principle of tangency. Remember in the last class, we examined drawing of arcs to drawing of external arcs to two circles. But in this topic, which is drawing of internal arcs to two equal circles, we're going to examine the objectives. For the objective number 1, to draw arc to two unequal circles, then 2, to draw arc to the two equal circles. Remember in the last class, we drew arc to two equal circles using external tangent. But this one, we're going to examine how we can draw internal arc to two unequal circles. But in the task I'm going to set before you, you're going to use the same method for our practice here to solve the question on objective number 2. So let's go to the next slide. This is the construction steps for drawing of arc to two unequal circles. So if you look at first step, say, draw two circles of radii A 45 mm and B 25 mm, which are 80 millimeters apart. Construct internal arc to these circles with an external radius of 40 mm. For the step, draw the circle A, which is 45 mm, and second circle, let's say the second circle is B, which is 25 mm in radius, and the first circle is A, which is 45 millimeters in radius. For the second step, we draw the arc from circle center A with radius 45 millimeter plus 40 millimeter, which is the external radius, equals to 85 mm. Then, for the third objective, for the third steps, we have draw the circle B, which is 25 mm plus 40 mm, equals to 65 mm. So we are using the external radius, we are adding the external radius to the circle radius to find the point of intersection where we can draw the arc. So in our next slide, let's look at the practical steps. Where they intersect, you extend your compass to 40 mm and draw the arc to join the circles. For our drawing practice today, so we examine, let's say this is first circle, of course, which is about 45 meters in radius. The circle center is here. Then ensure that you draw. The distance here is 80 mm. Let's examine that. Let's say this is circle A of radius 45 mm. Then another radius of radius 25 mm. Of course, you know that the radius here will be a little bit smaller. Will be smaller. So radius 25 mm. Now, we are given the external radius of our external radius equals to 40 mm. So for you to complete this drawing, to draw the internal arc to both circles, you have to, for this external radius, let's say this is circle 1, circle A, you add this 45 to this 40. So we have, for the circle A, we have 45 plus 40 to give us 80 mm. Then you extend your compass to 85 mm, sorry, 85 mm. For this second circle, then you had to that the external radius, circle B, we have external radius to be 25 plus the external radius given, which is 40. Then you have 65. You have 65 mm. Now, how do you do? You extend your compass to 85 mm, which is 8.5 centimeter. You put the needle point here and draw an arc down. Ensure that you use this line to draw an arc. Make sure that the arc is long. Then come to circle B and extend your compass to 25 plus 40, which is 65 mm, and draw here with compass extended to 65 mm, which is 6.5 centimeter. Draw an arc down and use it to draw your arc. Sometimes a student may experience difficulty in drawing the arcs, so what you need to do is just draw the arc, make sure that the arc is long, so that to find where both of the arcs will meet. So where they meet, this is the point of intersection. Then extend your compass to the radius that has been given to you, which is 45 mm, and place it in one of the circles here, or you may put this compass here at the point of intersection and draw one end of the circle, the pencil end of the circle, to one of the circle here. Then proceed to draw the internal arc that will touch both the circles. So this is how I'm expecting you to complete your work. In the next task I'm going to give to you on the Google Classroom. So if you have any problem concerning that, or any difficulties concerning drawing of it, you can speak to me on Google Classroom so that we can do more justice to it. Good day, stay safe.